Are you looking for the best wood routers? In this video we will look at some of the best wood routers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita RT0701CX7. The Makita RT0701CX7 is a versatile and high-performance compact router designed to meet the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This tool boasts a variable speed control dial, allowing users to adjust the RPM, revolutions per minute, from 10,000 to 30,000, providing the flexibility to match the speed with the specific application at hand. This feature is particularly useful for achieving precise results in various woodworking tasks. One standout feature of the Makita RT0701CX7 is its smooth rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system. This innovative mechanism enables users to make more accurate and precise depth settings, enhancing the overall performance and control of the router. Whether you're working on intricate designs or more straightforward routing tasks, this fine depth adjustment system allows for consistent and reliable outcomes. The router's design is slim and ergonomically shaped, prioritizing user comfort and control during extended usage. This thoughtful design not only reduces operator fatigue but also improves maneuverability, making it easier to handle and use the tool for prolonged periods. Number 2. ENERTWIST Compact Router. The ENERTWIST Compact Router is a powerful and versatile tool designed for routing and trimming various materials. It features an improved 7.0 amp 1-1 / HP motor that provides ample power for demanding routing tasks. One of its standout features is its variable speed functionality, offering 6 adjustable speeds ranging from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM. This wide range of speeds allows users to work with different materials and achieve precise results. The router also incorporates a soft start electronic control, which ensures a smooth and controlled start by gradually ramping up the motor speed. This feature, coupled with full-time electronic feedback to maintain motor speed through the cut, results in exceptionally smooth and clean routing surfaces. For precise and accurate cuts, the ENERTWIST Compact Router is equipped with a rack and pinion depth control system. Users can easily adjust the cutting depth in either inch or millimeter measurements for greater flexibility and precision. The quick-release cam-lock system further enhances usability by facilitating effortless depth adjustments and base removal or installation. Number 3. DEWALT Router Fixed. The DEWALT Router Fixed is a powerful and versatile router designed to handle tough applications and deliver excellent performance in various woodworking tasks. It features a durable 1.25 HP motor that provides ample power to tackle challenging projects with ease. The router's variable speed control allows users to optimize the bit speed according to the specific requirements of each task, enhancing versatility and precision. One notable feature of this DEWALT router is its soft starting motor, which ensures smooth and controlled startup. The motor also benefits from full-time electronic feedback, maintaining a consistent motor speed throughout the cut, leading to clean and precise results. For enhanced visibility during operation, the DEWALT router is equipped with dual LED lights and a clear sub-base, ensuring that users can see their workpiece and router bit clearly, even in dimly lit environments. Number 4. Triton TRA001. The Triton TRA001 is a versatile router that offers a convenient and user-friendly experience for woodworkers and craftsmen. One of its standout features is the ability to switch from conventional plunge mode to fixed base mode with a single button, providing flexibility in various routing tasks. Changing router bits is made easy with the Triton TRA001, thanks to its single wrench bit change system that operates through the base, further enhanced by an automatic spindle lock. This feature allows users to efficiently swap out router bits without the need for multiple tools or complicated procedures. Fine depth adjustment is crucial for precision routing, and the Triton TRA001 excels in this aspect with its micro winder. This mechanism enables continuous and precise depth adjustment throughout the full plunge mode, allowing users to achieve the desired cutting depth with ease and accuracy. Number 5. SKIL 10 amp. The SKIL 10-amp fixed-base router tool is a powerful and reliable routing device designed to deliver smooth and accurate performance for various woodworking tasks. With a robust 10-amp, 2.0 HP motor, this tool ensures consistent and precise routing from start to finish. One of the key features of this router is its speed control, which allows users to adjust the speed of the tool based on the material they are working with. This feature ensures optimal performance and prevents any potential damage to the material being routed. The inclusion of a soft start function further enhances safety and control during operation. The soft start feature ensures that the router starts gradually, preventing sudden jolts or jerks that could catch the user off guard, making it safer and more manageable to work with. Safety is paramount in any power tool, and the SKIL 10-amp router addresses this concern with a live tool indicator. The indicator lights up when the router is connected to power, providing a visual reminder to stay alert and cautious while handling the tool. Number 6. Lotus ER001. The Lotus ER001 is a powerful and versatile router designed for cabinetry and woodworking applications. It features a durable AC motor with a maximum horsepower of 1.6 HP, providing abundant power to handle a variety of routing and trimming tasks. Additionally, the router offers a variable speed control dial, allowing users to adjust the speed between 16,000 to 30,000 RPM, making it suitable for different materials and precision requirements. One of the key highlights of the Lotus ER001 is its precise operation capabilities. It is equipped with a 7-stop turret combined with both macro and micro adjustment features, ensuring accurate and consistent results for a range of cabinetry and woodworking projects. The router is compatible with a 1/4-inch router bits and can achieve a plunge depth of up to 2 inches, adding to its versatility and usefulness in various routing applications. One of the unique aspects of this router is its dual functionality. The plunging base can lock in a downward position, transforming the router into both a plunge router and a fixed router, providing flexibility in routing operations.